Hello everyone, I'm here at the Barrie Drive Test Center and I will be showing you route number 1 for the G test. So when you come here, please make sure that you're parking your car in one of the parking spaces here. Unfortunately, the parking spaces here do not have any numbers, but it's recommended that you park your car in reverse. So once you park your car, you will have to go inside the Drive Test Center. There are designated kiosks for the road test appointments. You will have to enter your driver's license number. Once you do that, your appointment will pop up. You click on it and then it will take you to the next screen. The kiosk will ask you a few questions. The first question is if you are wearing any eyeglasses. So if you are wearing any eyeglasses, please make sure that you have them on you. If you don't have it, they might cancel your road test or you will have to redo the vision test. The next question is if you have any medical condition. If you do have any medical condition, it's not recommended that you do your road test. But if you don't have a medical condition, you can put no for that. And the next screen will be about your drive on the highway. So the first question is how many times you have driven on the highway. You will have to enter the number of times that you have driven on the highway. And the next question is how many times on a 400 series highways. 400 series highways is like 401, 400, 404, all those highways. And the next question is what was your average trip? So mostly for students, we put 5 to 15 kilometers, the average trip. And then once you do that, then the next screen will be about your vehicle information. So you'll have to enter your vehicle information, the make of your car, if it's Toyota, Honda, whatever it is, and then the color of your vehicle, the license plate number, and the parking space number. So as I mentioned earlier, there's no parking space number here, so you can just put front. And then once you do that, the kiosk will give you a ticket. You grab the ticket, you come back to your car and sit in your car. And while you're waiting in the car for the examiner, please make sure that your seat is adjusted, your mirrors are adjusted, and you have your seat belt on. And then wait for the examiner. The examiner is gonna come. Once the examiner comes towards your car, please make sure you start your car. Once you start your car, then roll down the window. The examiner will introduce himself or herself to you, will ask for your driver's license. You present your driver's license. They will ask you for your full name, for your date of birth, and then the examiner will ask you to beep the horn. So you do beep the horn, and then the examiner will go to the front of the car, will ask you for the right signal, and then left signal. And then the examiner will go to the back of your car and will ask you for the same right signal, left signal, and then we'll ask you to step on the brake. So foot off the brake, on the brake a couple of times, and then the examiner will come sit beside you, will read some stuff from their iPad. You will have to sign it, and then the examiner will give you the direction. So when the examiner gives you the direction, please make sure, so normally they will tell you to go either right or left, but mostly to the right side here. So make sure that you put your car in drive and have your signal on for the right side. But before leaving, just do a good 360 degrees check all around. Please make sure that everything is all good to go. And once you do that, then slowly keep checking left, right, and look for any cars, any pedestrian, and come nice and smoothly here. Again, as soon as you are positioned here, mirror signal blind spot to the right again. There's no stop sign here, but I'll still slow down and stop, check left, right, make sure there's no cars coming, and then make your right turn here. And in here, also the speed limit, I think the 20, 25, 30 25 would be good. So, and then they will ask you to go left. So mirror signal blind spot to the left. I'll still come to a stop. There's no stop sign, but I'll still come to a stop before the pedestrian walkway. I'll check left, right, and then I'll creep in a little bit and stop again here. Look left, right for any cars that are coming. So there are some cars coming. I'm still gonna, now it's all clear, and I'm gonna turn left here. Guys, just be very careful. Make sure that there are no cars when you're coming out. So the speed limit here is 50. Please make sure that you're maintaining a 50 speed limit, but still keep on checking left, right, for any cars that may pull out, and keep on checking your mirrors every 5 to 10 seconds. And then you'll be asked to turn right at the traffic light. So right from here, you can do mirror, signal blind spot to the right, and then where the broken line starts, you can come to this lane. And so the light just turned red. I'm gonna come to a complete stop here. Check for any pedestrian. And yes, there are pedestrians, so I'm not gonna go further. I will wait here. Very important, guys. If there are any pedestrian, any cars, just watch all around, especially when you're waiting for the red light. Please make sure you're doing a good traffic check. So the pedestrian is gone. I'm gonna creep in a little bit and check left side for any cars. I do see some cars coming, so I'm not gonna move, but I'm still checking my rear view mirror. So okay, so now my lane is clear, and I'm gonna do a blind spot check and turn right here. So, and then you will be asked to change lane to left. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. When it's safe, change your lane to left. And the speed limit here is 60, so I am maintaining 60 speed limit. And then you'll be asked to change lane to left. So either left, because we are going to the highway, mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and I'm changing my lane to the left. In here they might either ask you to go to the far left or stay on this lane. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, either or is okay. So depending on the examiner, because both of these lanes will be going left to highway 400 north. Again, I'm waiting here behind another car. Please make sure that you're maintaining a good stopping distance. I should be able to see the tires in a little bit of the ground of the car in front of me when you're stopping behind another car. And also keep on checking your mirrors and all around while you're waiting for the red light. Keep yourself busy. On G-Test, it's multiple times it has mentioned about the traffic check. So every time you're stopping at an intersection or when you're leaving an intersection, please make sure that you are doing a left-right check. Very important. So guys, if you think this video is good, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave me some great comments that will motivate me to do more videos for you guys, for more locations. And please leave some great comments, like the video, and share it with your family and friends so that they can take advantage of this video as well. For those who are coming to Barrie for the road test, especially G, this will be helpful for them, and so they can take advantage. They can be familiarized with the route, and they will know what to do when they come here for the G test. And you guys can practice the route as well just before your road test, but just by watching this video. It will definitely help you guys, and so that way you can pass your G test with flying colors. So I guarantee you, I get a lot of great comments from other locations as well. A lot of people are leaving great comments, and they are telling me how they passed their G test just by watching my videos. So if you have friends and families, if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can find different locations. I've done almost I've covered most of the GTA Toronto areas. I've done G2 routes, G routes. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then you'll take advantage. Anyways, coming back, so still waiting for the red light. We'll see once, because in here at this traffic light, there is a left turn signal. So once yes, it is on now, and we will be making a left turn here. Okay, so check left, right, nice and clear, and I am making a left turn here. So guys, this is the ramp for Highway 400 North. Start picking up your speed, and start picking up your speed, and we can keep going, and start picking up your speed to 100. You might be asked to change lane here, so if you're asked to change lane, please make sure that you are at 100 when you're changing lane. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and then we're gonna change lane to left. So it is that the right side is the acceleration lane, but you might be asked to enter earlier. It is a very long ramp, so or you can complete the 70% of the acceleration lane, and then you will be asked to change lane to left here. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and when it's safe, I'll be changing my lane to left when it's safe. So I'm changing my lane to left. And guys, in here, once your four tires are in the lane, then you'll be turning off your signal. In here, there is a construction currently going on, and the speed limit will be dropping to 80. Please make sure that you are looking at the posted speed limits. If you're asked to change lane again, so mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and we will be doing a lane change again here. So changing lane to the left, and then you will be asked to change lane back to the right because we will be exiting. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and then we will be changing lane to the right, and then you will be asked to exit on Essa Road. So Speed limit 80 again here. Do not exceed the speed limit. It is currently 80, but normally on 400 the speed limit is 100, so maintain the 100 speed limit on the normal days, but watch for posted speeds. So currently it is 80 here at this specific area where I am right now, and you will be asked to exit on Esa Road. So mirror signal blind spot to the right where the broken line starts. You have to enter from there. Keep your signal on and maintain the 80 speed limit until you reach to the V shape on the left. Once you get to this point, turn off your signal and drop your speed and continue on this. But when you get to this point, you will be asked to go left. So from left on Esa Road, so mirror signal blind spot to the left. Every time you see the arrows on the ground or posted, that's when you should turn on your signal to the direction where you're going. So green light, I'm not stopping, and I'll do a left right check, and then I am going here. So once you get here, you will be asked to go back to Highway 400 South. So mirror signal blind spot to the right, and we will be going back to the highway. I'm entering here, so turn off your signal before the yellow line starts on the left side, and stay centered. Do not touch the lines on the right and left. It's always good that you stay centered. Do not shake your car a lot, and just maintain a good speed limit where you have a good control of the vehicle. And then once you get to this point, then you can start picking up mirror signal blind spot to the left, and you can start picking up your speed here. So this acceleration lane is pretty long, so take your time and you can get to 100 easily. So get to 100 speed limit, and then check mirror signal blind spot signal is already on. You're gonna do a blind spot check and then merge to the highway at 100 speed limit. Very nice and long ramp here. You might be asked to do a couple of lane changes again here. So mirror signal blind spot to the left, and I'm gonna change my lane to the left when it's safe, and turn off your signal once your four wheels are inside the lane, and then continue here. But then you will be asked to change your lane back to right when it's safe. So changing lane, always check your rear view mirror, look at the car, the distance of the car. If you can see both headlights, it's far enough, and then signal, and then check a blind spot, make sure nobody is on in your blind spot, and then change lane when it's safe to do so. And then you change lane once your four tires are in, then you turn off your signal. So just like that, and continue here. You will be asked to exit on Maple View again. We will be exiting on Maple View, and just keep on checking your mirrors every 5 to 10 seconds. And before the exit, so 100 meters before, mirror signal blind spot to the right where the broken line starts, I am exiting. So while you're here at this point, please make sure your speed is still at 100, your signal is still on, until you reach to that Maple View Drive board or the V shape on the left. So, and then you turn off your signal and you drop your speed. You might be asked to keep right, so mirror signal blind spot to the right, either to the right or to the left, but both lanes are going to the right. We have two right lanes and two left lanes. So you can stay on the far right where I am right now. It's a green light. I will still do a quick traffic check, left, right, and then turn right into the first lane closest to you. And then you'll be asked to change lane to left. So you can change your lane to left, mirror signal blind spot to the left. You can change your lane to the left when it's safe to do so. So, and then after this is Barrie View Drive. After this traffic light, the next traffic light, you will be asked to turn left. So prepare yourself for another lane change here. Just be ready, and when it's safe, you can change your lane to left. So I'm okay, green light, I'm moving. So we're gonna do mirror signal and blind spot to the left, and when it's safe, I'm gonna move to the left. So I'm moving to the left. The speed limit is 60 here, but depending on the traffic, again, mirror signal blind spot to the left, and I'm gonna go to the left. And it's a green light. I'm gonna go halfway in, look for any pedestrian on the left side. There is a pedestrian, I'll wait, check, check, check. Okay, now it's all safe, and I'm making my left turn right here. So left turn right here, and then I'm gonna go straight. Again, the speed limit here is 50, so maintain a good 50 speed limit. Keep on checking left, right. and we will be going back to the drive test center. Very easy route, honestly, like the Barrie, very simple, very straightforward, and there's not much in here. Just keep looking left, right. You'll be asked to turn right here, so mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and slow down nice and smoothly, check a blind spot and come to the right here. And then you'll be asked to turn left, mirror, signal, blind spot, and you will be asked to park in one of the parking spaces here. So that could be anywhere. And then you can just park your car in one of the parking spaces. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and then you can park your car in one of the parking spaces right here. That's pretty much it, guys. If you think this video was helpful and you have learned something from it and it was easy to understand the route, please make sure that you're subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please like the video, leave me some great comments, share the video with your friends and families that will have a G-test here at the Barrie Drive Test Center. And thank you for watching this video. Please make sure that you're following me for more videos.